Okay, Nikki. Are you gonna roll over again?
Wearing a hat. Right here, kid. Has two beautiful eyes. Look at these, baby. Is green. Is in the same room with me right now. And is holding a microphone.
Hey, sweetie. Hi.
Kermit the Frog.
Are you gonna roll over again?
Me? I'm the fairy? Oh, really? Well, thank you. This is Kermit the Fair Frog.
I see you.
Returning you to your regular schedule.
What are you doing?
Did you notice that there's only one reporter on this whole newspaper? I mean, every time something happens, he has to be the one to come and check it out.
Come on, you can do it.
She's doing it!
Hey, not so loud, sweetie pie.
Yay, Nikki, she's doing it!
Are you excited?
It's fun to listen to stories.
You think she's gonna do it again?
I think she's going to very robot.
You think she's gonna roll over again?
I'm going to help her.
No, we want her to do it all by herself.
I want to help her.
Because she's got to learn, just like you.
No, she doesn't want to learn.
She's very wiggly. She's kicking her legs a lot.
I want to get you.
Hey, we're trying to see if Nikki's going to roll over again.
I'm going to get you.
She's almost doing it.